next 10-15 minutes. Okay, we are here. Okay. So Navik, please write down Navik. Navik, another most important. Please write down this Navik. So Navik is also developed by exactly like a GPS. In fact, the way your GPS system is there in your cell phone. Similarly, the upcoming new cell phones will have the Navik app into that. Okay, this is our own made. So please write down this India's answer to GPS. Okay, because remember I told you about Kargil War. Our brave soldiers did not receive the signal because at that time the signal is not ours. So we lost our way out. So it should not have. Immediately at that time, Prime Minister of India said that we must have this own system. That's where we have launched all this. And finally, Navik is functional now. It is much, much superior and much, much better. Okay. You can also make use of Navik. And go to that particular ISRO site and then understand Navik. How the Navik is going to help. Okay. The applications of Navik for various purposes. Okay. I can share the screenshot and then you can go through again and observe all that. Okay, but you can also ask me like how Navik can help us. You can also figure out many more applications and all. Okay, so aviation navigation and then marine navigation. Navigation is very important. Otherwise, how we can reach the place. Okay, and my dear children, the data is very important. Mainly, especially the satellites are greatly helping for various applications where the data is also very important, the paddy and then crops and all is various, whatever government of India wants, immediately ISRO, NRSA will give the information within no time. So time to time, what all the changes and the crops and everywhere suppose once the pond is there, if it is there or not, they can verify the previous data to this day. Comparison can be done very fastly and then they will be great useful. With this, what I wanted to tell you, my dear children, um, there are so many wide applications of all these ISRO and satellites and applications. But all that the data, see, for your simple one TV, you have a small dish connected. But similarly, to handle so much of wide variety applications, so our government of India, this ISRO and NRS, they have these data centers all across the nation. From there, they have very huge, big, continuously connected to satellites, and they'll take the data from satellites because capturing data is one thing, and receiving the data from satellite is another part, and processing it and then making use of the data for various other purposes for making use for human developments. Another important point. Okay, my dear children. So there are so many things that you all can have all this and prediction, weather forecast, and all I told you about. Now here another most interesting point you can see here robotic astronaut also because they are testing instead of sending direct people, so they have made one robot and that is going into so that is the project it is. And now another interesting point what I wanted to discuss with you, as I told you, know that it's a rocket launch and all, you all can go and visitors gallery is there at Shar, that SD Satish Dhawan Space Station at Sriharikota. You all can go and see. And then so with this, what I wanted to, my dear children, today's our present ISRO chairman, Sri Shivan sir. So he is very children friendly. So he always wanted to encourage students of the schools. That's why recently announced that 100 schools will be adopted by ISRO. Already 47 to 50 already adopted. They will be adopting many more also. And here another most interesting thing. Yesterday I am in a conference with Director General of CSIR. Even Sri Shekhar Mande sir. So yesterday he said he will be adopting near about 295 schools. CSIR is Council of Science Industrial Research, Scientific Industrial Research, Council for Scientific Industrial Research, CSIR. So we have near about, I think, 37 or 38 national laboratories we have, okay, all across the nation. For example, time is controlled by NPL, National Physical Laboratory at New Delhi. You all can visit all these national laboratories. They have a open days, children. Don't forget to go through that, okay? And yeah, there are many national labs all across the country. Whichever is close to you, you can go and visit the national libraries on their open days. Then that particular national library contain eminent international scientists and all will be there to address you all the questions for, and they'll show you all the research going on in that particular national labs and all they will do. In similar ways that I'm talking, so I'm part of, in fact, this particular Atal Innovation Mission as a mentor of change of the nation. So yesterday I'm into that. I'll share the YouTube link. Yesterday's my message into that. So you all can apply. So me and my friends, ISRO engineers and scientists and all that, we all go together to various schools and educate children and ignite children and inspire children of the nation. So this is what our regular. So he's Mr. Murthy. Is working there in ISRO for 38 years, and he wanted to come and address all his life experience of ISRO to all the students. So every National Science Day celebrations and all we go together and do. And next we will also connect him to you guys because he's now getting retired after another couple of. He will be full time available. As of now, he's busy. So we'll connect you to again with a lot of development to be shared to you all directly. Okay, he will come and so. But here remember, we all did our education 50 years ago from such a small government rural schools and all. But today you have at the time we have no idea that internet information highway in front of us. We have no idea. But today you all have all these great facilities like digital classrooms, virtual classrooms, and satellite connectivities, and then these smart classes and so much of information for so many wide variety of information from YouTube and well trained and well educated teachers and mentors like me and all are there in front of you. So it is your responsibility, my dear students, to become a great part of the nation. You have to have wonderful social responsibility of the nation on your shoulders. Okay. See here, all the chairmen of ISRO, right from father of space program, Sri Sarabhai sir, to today's chairman, Sri Sivan, and before that Kiran Kumar, and then before that Radhakrishnan sir and U.R. Rao sir, and then all of them, the great scientists are there. Madhavan Nair sir is also there in between. So all of them. So these people never went into universe. But my dear children, remember how inspirational personalities they are, and they conquered the universe, my dear children. See how calculated, how pinpointedly our Indian space program, why others are coming with their satellite and asking ISRO to launch their satellites and all, just because of the reliability. Reliability comes with only the calculation. So our Indian original people, I mean, all Indians, I always believe, I means India. India means full of intellectuals. Intellectuals can calculate better, accurate. Okay. So that's where our success rate goes high so much. So others are coming. So ISRO is in fact helping the nation for foreign exchange because we are not only importing, we are exporting. I mean, all that we are doing for other nations also. Okay. So my friend, Mr. Murthy, is worked with all the ISRO chairmen and all. So that's what I'm feeling proud. And in fact, he is the one prepared this entire presentation to share with all of you. And then, he recently went to United States where he found one small step for man, one giant leap for a mankind. That's what is said by Neil Armstrong the moment he launched there in moon on the first time. Okay. So is it end between you and me? No, never. Technology is never going to end. But however, here I wanted to show you very interestingly. Next 2 minutes, I want to connect you to another great interesting resource called scientificstudents.com. So I am the one who developed this entire website. So we do lot much for all our the national school children through scientificstudents.com, and the Solar Lab is the recent development what we are all sharing. Our Ravi Shankarji will set up another session with all of you. We'll do the Solar Lab and all. And those I know for sure all my students wanted to do always some tinkering. They wanted to make so many things. Okay. But the thing is that they need a proper guidance and all. So I'm developing a circuit lab for all such kind of students. Okay. So write down this scientificstudent.com/circuitlab.html. Okay. That will going to greatly help you to make something lot much on your own. I've designed and developed many projects because I want all my children Like once upon a time, all made in Japan. Now these days, you see every day morning, whatever you want to buy, all made in China. Why my India can't produce all such? So make in India, made in India. Okay, that's what is going to happen. See, our beloved Prime Minister of India always says that skill India. So skill India will happen only from school India. So I believe strongly all my school children of the nation will become skilled. That's where new education policy 2020, after 35 years ago later, they just redesigned it. So that's all talking about skills has to be raised from class 6 itself. So we all more than grade 6. So we all work together. Let's raise our skill. So make the India happen. I is not only intellectual India. I want all my Indians are innovative and inventive Indians, so that productive India takes place. Yes, sir, my dear children. Am I right? So will you all be part of productive India so that we start exporting? Okay, exporting is more important. So I believe with this session, with this motivation, with this inspiration, with this role of ISRO in national development, with the concrete achievements of ISRO, that all will definitely, the region we said, our Ravi Shankar ji said, igniting dreams of young minds. Such a wonderful name given. The name itself says that you all have the energies within you. What is that we are trying to do is, with all your energy, you have the dream. Like Dr. Kalam always said, okay, have dream and, then solve the dream. So achieve the dream. So that's what I wanted to tell. We are here to help you to ignite your dreams. So first of all, my dear children, you all have to have wonderful dreams, all about science and technology, how we grow together, because every country's prosperity based on the country's science and technology development. Will you agree with me? So that's where the advanced country, that's where the developed nations. So why can't we do the same thing? Because in my school days, years ago, they said that India is developing country. But now also they're saying India is developing country. How long it will be like that? No, it has to be immediately like other advanced developed countries. We also must grow everywhere. No more get used to get edge. Everywhere the quality life must lead. Those you see just the greatness of Indians. So zero was given by Indian scientists. And then surgery is developed by Indian scientists. All Vishwagurus are our Indians only. But recently, last 30, 40 years, I don't know, something went wrong. Only few people are excelling. But children are the pillars of nation. Everybody say. But 2-3% children cannot take the load of the entire nation, because now the population has grown. That's where we are there to help you all, to so that all our Indian students will excel in such a kind of science and technology development. All together, we can make for sure that make in India, made in India. Okay, you understand, my dear children? So build scientific India and solve the problems of the globe. So because you see, the corona has come, COVID-19, we all have seen worst pandemic times of 2020 and all. It's more than a year now. But how day and night we have seen the scientists at various laboratories of the nation, that how day and night they worked. But ultimately, we are the people invented the required vaccines and supplied to many countries. Here, hundreds of countries were received by our particular vaccines. So see how fastly invented, how fastly made, and how fastly supplied. And ourselves, our Indian population, it's such a course, and outside, because we have to take share of the others also. No, that's where we sent. That's where is the quality of Indian. Okay, Mera Bharat Mahan. Sab log aap bol dijiye, Mera Bharat Mahan. Everybody say that. My dear friends, all of you say Mera Bharat Mahan. Okay. Now, my dear children, as we are all there in the country, and then soldiers are in the borders. But according to me, I wish all my students will become soldiers. Means I don't have, you all don't have to be there, there in the borders. Soldiers don't have to be only on the borders. Okay. Definitely, every single student of this nation can be a soldier from wherever they are, every single square meter. Okay, that's where country is going to safeguard ourselves with our minds. Soldiers don't have to be with only guns. Okay, soldiers can be with brains and thoughts and doing and committing, and with continue the patriotism. So patriotism is more important. If you wanted to be real patriotic, my dear children, what I request you all, that try to save water and electricity, because every single drop what you save is a drop you produce. Every single electrical energy, what a single watt is saved, a 1.5 watt is produced. That is what is more important. So let's save the electricity and then the water initially, so that we can start proving ourselves, yes, we are patriotic. Okay. So with this, so go through this particular solarlab.html, scientificstudent.com / solarlab.html. From this, you go to all these links and workshops, and then so many things are there. All these things you can see. And my friend working at NASA, you can go through about this and about global warming. COVID-19 handle only human beings, but this global warming killing every living being, like plants and animals, and then all human beings, everybody. So let us understand the importance of global warming. Okay, Earth is now suffering with fever. How do we give medicine to that? So that is nothing but understanding all about global warming. Please read all this information and try to be a part of this particular, control and reduce the global warming index. Now at this point of time, it is around 1 degree. It has to be brought down immediately at plus 0.5. Then it has to go zero also in upcoming times. Okay, we'll discuss in another session like Solar Lab session through our Ravi Shankarji. At that time, we'll discuss all about the global warming and how you can be a solar soldier. And I can educate and mentor all about making some solar products also. We'll do all that. So I think finally, my dear children, say all of you, Jai Jawan. Say all of you, open your mics. All of you need to open your mics. I'm going to stop sharing also. Okay, please open your mics and say Jai Jawan, because without Jawan we can't say. Our soldiers, great soldiers. Okay, day and night working at such a negative temperatures and high positive extreme ends. They're all working for us. So we all have to say always from our local nation that always we must say Jai Jawan. Say Jai Jawan, say all of you.
Jai Jawan.
Okay. Jai Jawan. Jai Kisan. Jai Kisan. Because
Jai
Kisan
Jawan,
is
Jai Kisan.
good. We cannot eat tablet and no. Jai Jawan. Okay. Jai Bharat. Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Jai Vignan. Jai Jai Vignan. Because you're all to raise your personality. So having a problem is not a problem. Having no problem is the biggest problem, because we have to grow to solve those problems. So Vignan is more important. So that's why Jai Jai Vignan, my dear children. Okay, with this, I believe we have done a wonderful session. And I also say
Yes,
sorry for
thank you.
extending the time.
Thank you, sir.
And,
Thank you so much. It was amazing address by you to the student of Jammu Kashmir. Because when we think about Jammu and Kashmir, always people say that network problem is there. This is not possible. That is not possible. But amazing work done by a school and super amazing work done by you. We have reached to the such a place where most of the people say it's not possible. But yeah.
I'm
Together we have
excited,
made
sir.
it possible.
In fact, I'm very much excited. But I don't know who is going to invite to Jammu Kashmir. Hey, anybody,
Yes,
my
sir.
student?
We will go. Our director
No.
sir is connected with us. Atul Hans
No.
sir is
If
connected
my
with us.
students are inspired, if my students are inspired from Jammu Kashmir, one will say, "Sir, you can come to my place." No one is saying.
Yes.
Let
we
me
will-
see who is
Sir,
going to say.
I, as a teacher on behalf of IDRS, I thank you so much, and I welcome you to Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you so much for this wonderful session, and I hope students have enjoyed a lot. Sorry, due to some reasons, I'm not able to switch on my video, but I welcome you to J&K, and I am again repeating my words that it was an excellent session, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. And it's really amazing to see people of Jammu and Kashmir. They are taking challenges. Whenever I was on the mission of 28 by 28 state, everybody asked me a question: how will you conduct a program in Jammu and Kashmir? But yes, there is a will, there is a way. That I believe that, and together as a team we can do wonders.
In the
And
group
Jammu
morning,
Kashmir
I
really
saw
great.
that there is a will, where there is a will, there is a way. You
Yes.
said that. You
Yeah,
proved it.
and now
You
we are
proved it.
planning to conduct in every district of Jammu and Kashmir. So that's the
Oh,
next mission.
wonderful.
Total 718 districts. We will conduct the space exploration program. Yeah, sir. So
Saurya
I will
Singh-
just show some video. I will show some video to the student. Ghanshyam sir, you want to say something?
Sir,
Ghanshyam
one
sir is a
second.
very
Sir, 1 second. I want to give.
Thank
I
you
want
very
to
much,
give.
Ravi sir.
are doing great job from your side, and you are sending this your program to each of the corners of the country, and I'm almost feeling very proud to be a part of Ignited Dream of Young Minds. And thank you, sir. You explained very well our program. And thank you, students. And I almost thanks to people and students and teachers of Jammu and Kashmir. My friend, my very dearest and nearest friend, Mr. Atul Hans is there. And he organized this program. I want to say so many congratulations to him and his team. Thank you very much. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Thank you so
one
much,
minute.
sir. On behalf of
children,
Atul,
like,
sir, thank you so much.
1 second. I think Saurya Singh, 7th grader, he has one question. Without giving 1 minute for the question, I cannot close it. Please ask your, because I always see the children, those who are highly interested, highly ignited, will have definitely few questions. So children, you can always reach, no problem. I can connect you to the people, but whatever kind of question we have. And I'll also try solving your questions also. But don't think that we are just closing the session and we are far off from you. No, not at all. It's a digital age. We always can work together. That working together is winning together. I strongly believe that. Okay, children. So have a
Yes.
question and raise
तो
your
बच्चों अगर
question.
किसी को कुछ
Write down
पूछना है
your
तो सर से
question.
पूछ सकते हो तब तक. If anybody wants
आज
to
के
ask
सेशन के
anything, you
बारे
can
में
ask to
कुछ
sir. And
क्वेश्चन है?
ma'am wanted to
Yeah,
say
Saurya.
something.
Yeah, I know you have one question. Go ahead, Saurya.
Sir, what is a student satellite?
Oh, wonderful. You are excellent. Yeah. Actually, we call them units. Okay. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So unit of student satellite is 10 centimeters. So 10 by 10 by 10, it's called 1 unit. Okay. So it's a small cube. So we design something into that for various purposes and applications for study point of view. So that is called, okay. I'll share that information, the making process and all, and we'll conduct one satellite making a workshop also nearby. Our Ravi Shankar ji is taking care of that. So at that time we can invite you. Okay, you can also be part of that. Okay, so it's interesting.
देखो
That's
बच्चों, अगर
perfect.
आप लोग कुछ करना चाहते हो ना सैटेलाइट के क्षेत्र में, आप कुछ कर बच्चों अगर आप लोग सैटेलाइट बनाना चाहते हो तो आप बहुत छोटे हो, और आपके लिए सबसे जरूरी चीज क्या है, मैं आप लोग को हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों बताऊंगा, क्योंकि हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है और इंग्लिश हमारा वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. तो पहले हम हिंदी की बात करेंगे, फिर इंग्लिश की बात करेंगे. तो आप बना सकते हो फेमटो सैटेलाइट. फेमटो सैटेलाइट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल सैटेलाइट. इट कैन बी फ्रॉम 5 ग्राम to 50 grams. And what does it do? You can measure the carbon emission in the atmosphere. You can measure the different temperature and pressure changing taking place in atmosphere, and this satellite can be placed with the help of helium balloon or drone in the stratosphere. See, atmosphere has got many layers, right? So it can be placed in the stratosphere, and this will really helping the country to find out many kind of things. So being a children, because a lot of funding is required to build a very big satellite, it's not possible for you to spend that much amount of money, like 1 crore of rupees. But yes, don't feel that if you don't have money, you cannot do anything. Always, sir also say, and I also say this, and every Indian say this, when there is a will, there is a way. तो आप कर सकते हो, आपकी खुद की ताकत है, क्योंकि भारत से ही सभी चीजों की शुरुआत हुई है. जीरो भी भारत ने शुरू किया, और भारत से ही सभी हीरो पैदा हुए. तो आप लोग कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You will definitely do this. So yes, you think about it, and sir will tell you more about this. Yeah.
Final, my conclusion. Actually, I do hundreds of such sessions, but today I felt so happy. The students from Jammu Kashmir answered me very quickly, very spontaneously, and perfect answers. So the credit goes to the school, whether we are working with one school or the
Yes, sir,
children of
school is
various
really-
schools. So the
स्कूल
credit
बहुत
goes
अच्छी
to
है सर,
school.
क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत फास्टली एक्ट किया हर चीजों पर, और उन्होंने काफी बढ़िया रिस्पांस दिया. मतलब क्या मैं बोलूं, उनके लिए बहुत कुछ मेरे पास
हाँ
शब्द
रवि
नहीं
साहब,
है.
यही
इतना
बता
अच्छा
रहा
काम
था.
किया उन्होंने.
मतलब मैं इतना फास्ट रेस्पॉन्स में, इतना करेक्ट रेस्पॉन्स में, इतना इंतजाम एंड इतना इन्वॉल्वमेंट
Yes,
की
sir.
मैं कहाँ देखा नहीं है. I must thank to all the students and all the school management for making such a people, students ready for such kind of questions. I mean, they are preparing the subject in the school such a way. I can understand that. They are working very
सर
nice.
एक
I really enjoy.
मैं बच्चों को एक वीडियो दिखाना चाहूंगा
हाँ,
सर
जी,
गिव मी
जी।
परमिशन आई विल शो सम
sure.
3 minutes
Please.
56 second video.
Please,
Yes,
please,
and some of you,
please.
you know, if you are looking for giving a welcome speech or like, you know, if you want to participate in IDYM Foundation events and everything, our foundation is open for everybody. It's your foundation. It's not a foundation of Ravi Shankar Kumar. It's a foundation of every Indian, every world citizens. So you can come up, you can start doing something, and you can even being a children, you can help your country. That is what is the mission. So if you, any one of you are willing to do something for the country, you can connect with us. We will give you some responsibility and you can work for your nation. So I will share the screen, sir, for time being for only 3 minutes 56 seconds. With your permission.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
So children's, the screen, I think visible to all of you, right? Now I'll just
Yes.
go to the, this is the video I wanted to show to all of you. This is the satellite made by our team members. As you can see on the screen, this is a Pratham satellite which was launched in 2016. And in the screen, you can see that there is a yellow color, you know, that yellow color layer is there. That is called MLI, that is called multi-layer insulation, right? So that part is there. Why? Because, you know, satellite, you know, when it is flying in the space, maybe there is a solar radiation. Due to solar radiation, electronic component may get damaged. So this layer is given to protect that. And now you can go ahead with this, how this launching was taking place in 2016 from ISRO Command Center, Sriharikota. That is the, we have the launching station. India has got in Andhra Pradesh, Sriharikota.
Have a feel of the launch.
So this is the PSLV rocket, which was used to launch this Pratham satellite in 2016, PSLV C-35. So it has got 4 stages. At the top of the rocket, you can see, you know, that is the satellite. The tip satellite will be kept there. And this is how it moves in the space, okay?
आकाश की ओर उठता हुआ PSLV
So it's moving in the space now, and you see this is the path traced by the
confirmation
command center.
of the separation of the Pratham satellite
Okay,
built by
like
students
this
of
it is
IIT
happening.
Mumbai, and also
And this is the
just 10
control
seconds
room
later,
from where
the
they trace
separation
the
of
path of the
PISAT
rocket and satellite.
built by the
And there will
students
be a
of
person who will be
PS
announcing
University,
that
Bangalore.
satellite is finally separated
वैसे कई
from the rocket.
उपग्रह
You see
इसरो
here, he will be
भारतीय
announcing.
विश्वविद्यालयों के लिए छोड़
So this is the launching video, what you have
Pratapi
seen. Now I'll
Pratapi
show you a
separated.
video of this one, where you will see that, okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is the PSLV animations, where you will understand how PSLV works. PSLV is a 4-stage rocket. As you can see on the screen, the bottom part is a booster part, which is used to boost the rocket. So without booster, nothing is possible. So this is the booster part. As you can see on the screen, the rocket is moving into space. Rocket is moving into space. You can see on the screen. Now it is. Oh, 1 second, some technical problem happened. Wait. Oh shit. Yes, so this is the something you can see the separation of PSLV, which has got 4 stages, and this is how it is
Screen
getting
share.
separated.
Sir, share the
Sir,
screen.
what happened?
Share
Oh,
the
screen sharing
screen.
is gone, huh? 1 second. Oh, it is gone. Suddenly it is gone. 1 second. I'll save it. It was earlier, it was seen or not, sir?
Yeah, earlier it has come very nice.
Oh,
Now it
yes,
has come back.
I think some fault. Yes, okay.
It
So
was
this is the
nice.
PSLV
It was
animation,
nice.
where you can see that how PSLV works. Okay, everyone, just watch it. There is a booster part. There are 4 stages. So this is how it works.
Grounded strap-on boosters are ignited. PSLV is getting lifted off, and here's the launch pad.
So this is the PSLV moving into a space, as you can see here.
Grounded strap-on boosters are ignited. 4 grounded strap-on boosters are burnt out and are separated. 2 air-lid strap-on boosters are separated. First
See how it
stage
is moving.
burnt out and separated. Second stage is ignited.
Moving into space. There will be separation of different stages. It
Payload
is happening
fairings
right now.
are separated. The second stage is now burnt out and separated. Third stage is ignited. Third stage is burnt out and is
This is the
separated.
final part. Then the satellite
Fourth
will get
stage is
separated from the
ignited.
rocket. As you can see, the Indian flag.
Fourth stage is burnt out and the main satellite is separated.
And there are microsatellite, as the children were saying,
3
what satellite we can make.
microsatellites are
So
separated.
these are the microsatellites you have, which is getting separated. So this is the something from my side. And now sir will discuss with all of you.
Again gone.
Thank you. Yes, anything more? Ma'am wanted to say something from that school. Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm here only.
Yeah, please,
Sir,
ma'am. Go.
Thank you so much, sir, for these 2 amazing videos, because right now class 5 and 6 students are here only. They have this topic of space shuttle and all these satellites in their books. So these videos will help them a lot. Thank you so much for sharing these videos. And again, I thank you, sir, from scientific students. You have done a wonderful session and I am thankful for you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. So, या बच्चों कुछ बोलना है, आप लोगों को कुछ बोलना है सर के आज के बारे में? आप लोग का टाइम है,
Sir, I
क्योंकि आप ही
want
तो
to-
देश के फ्यूचर
sir, I
हो. आप
want-
नहीं बोलोगे तो इंडिया नहीं बोलेगा.
Sir,
Yes,
I want
yes,
to
someone
say
want to
welcome
ask.
speech.
हाँ,
यस
welcome
यस ठीक है,
speech.
जो भी चाहिए. यस यस घनश्याम सर को नंबर सब
Sure,
देते रहो ना,
sure,
घनश्याम
sure.
सर हमें पास करते रहेंगे. तो बच्चों, अगर
बोलिए,
आपको कुछ
बोलिए.
बोलना है तो बोल सकते हो. आपको कैसा सेशन लगा? क्योंकि आप बोलोगे तभी तो इंडिया बोलेगा ना, कि इंडिया के
बोलिए.
फ्यूचर तो आप ही हो ना फिर.
Yes. बोलो बेटा.
Sir, it was
यस
very,
चिल्ड्रंस.
it was very knowledgeable session.
Continue.
वेरी
Great
गुड.
session.
Very good.
और बेटा आप क्या करना चाहते हो? आप एक स्पेस
Thank
साइंटिस्ट
you
बनना
so
चाहते
much,
हो?
sir, for such a good session. We had a good experience after this session.
वेरी गुड. बहुत
Very
बच्चे
nice.
एक्टिव जम्मू कश्मीर के सर है तो गजब.
Good
अभी
afternoon,
जम्मू
all.
में गर्मी
Yes.
है. अभी जम्मू में गर्मी है, ठंडा है.
Tazia want to say something.
सर वो तो आप सैटेलाइट
Yes,
के
sir.
बारे में बता रहे थे, आप बता सकते हैं अच्छे से.
तो हमारा सैटेलाइट तो अभी है ना जम्मू में. सैटेलाइट, हमारा सैटेलाइट उधर बैठा है, सौर्या सिंह. ये सब हमारा
Yes,
सैटेलाइट
yes,
है अभी.
रियली सर, आज मैंने भी आज मैं 133 नंबर सेशन कर रहा हूँ. मैं पहली बार इन बच्चों के साथ बहुत एंजॉय किया, क्योंकि बच्चे बहुत एनर्जेटिक थे.
बहुत
energetic
अच्छा
थे
आंसर
सर
दिया
इसका.
मुझे, फटाफट. तो इतना स्पॉन्टेनियस एंड करेक्ट एंड
Yes.
एक्यूरेट आंसर दे दिया मुझे.
Credit
अच्छा
goes
लगा
to
We have
मुझे.
extraordinary
and
students in our school.
our Jacqueline ma'am, she is a silent, silent team, teammate. बहुत वो
Oh.
साइलेंट रहती है और काम करती है. वो कभी स्क्रीन पर नहीं आती
हाँ, अभी है, अभी सामने दिखाई दे रहा
है, बट वो she never come on the screen.
है.
She always do the work from behind.
Sir, I want to say something.
So nice all of
Yes.
you.
Yes.
क्या बेटा
Yes.
बोलिए?
Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, all. I, Tazia Tamanna, student of class 6 of Brainiac Heritage School and executive member of IDYM Foundation Student Council, feel honored to extend a hearty welcome to all the members to join the seminar with Jammu and Kashmir Space Exploration Program. It is my pleasure to welcome our dynamic founder, Mr. Ravishankar Kumar of IDYM Foundation, Igniting Dreams of Young Minds Foundation. I also extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Srinivas SG. At the same time, I take pride to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Atul Hans, Director Principal of International Day Rising School. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Tajia. Thank you.
लगता है कि हम लोगों का
She
सपना
can
सच
be
रहा है,
the
देखिए बच्चे कैसे स्पार्क कर रहे हैं.
yes, yes. He is
अच्छा
the
सर.
next annual ASME.
राइट राइट. और कोई है
तो
बच्चों कुछ बोलना चाहिए
अरुण
आपको? बोल सकते हो.
अरुणजीत सिंह कुछ बोलना चाहता हो? ओके देन. जपनीत कौर बेटी कुछ बोलना
Arunjit,
चाहते
you
हो?
can unmute yourself. Sir is asking you something.
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for. Yeah, Janpreet Kaur, yeah, go ahead. बेटी आप बोलना चाहता हो ना? जपनीत कौर जी, बेटी आप कुछ अनम्यूट किया था, अब बोलो. कुछ क्वेश्चन है, कुछ शेयर करना है, कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
ओके ओके. आप अच्छा पढ़ाई करके आगे क्या करना चाहते हो? व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम इन द फ्यूचर?
I want to become an IPS officer.
Wow, wonderful, excellent.
Very
So
nice.
use the technology to become an IPS. Okay. So these days IPS required very good technology support also. Lot of technology-driven policing is required in India. Okay. So try to be a technologist so that you can do wonderful policing. Okay. Okay. So shall we close down, sir? Any other point anyone has to share?
ओके
अरुणजीत
बच्चों,
सिंह,
अगर
बोलो.
कुछ आपको पूछना होगा घनश्याम सर से आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, जकलीन मैम से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, और स्कूल के किसी भी टीचर या प्रिंसिपल जो आपकी मैम है, आप कुछ भी कभी भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हो. और अगर जम्मू कश्मीर के स्कूल में पहली स्कूल में सेटेलाइट बनानी है तो IDYM हमेशा साथ में है और हम आपको सेटेलाइट बना के दे सकते हैं. इसमें कोई, क्योंकि we are looking only for the students to do something that has not been done so far.
Saurya Singh साहब
ठीक है सर.
मतलब
तो विदर्भ
no, I think Saurya Singh wanted to take me Jammu Kashmir somewhere, some place you want to show me. Which is the place you want to take me? I don't know.
यस यस. क्या
हाँ,
करेंगे
सर.
सर? जम्मू कश्मीर we will go and we will start from his school.
Saurya
And we
ले
will
जाइए
go to all
मुझे.
Jammu and
कुछ जगह
Kashmir in
दिखा देगा ना?
all the districts.
Okay sir, okay. हाँ Saurya, आप कुछ
जी
जगह दिखा
सर.
देगा
तो
जम्मू में?
ये
अच्छा कुछ
घनश्याम
साइंस
सर,
जगह.
सर.
Some science.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ हाँ. सुप्रीत जी
बोलो बेटा.
बोलो.
Sir, it's a pleasure if you visit our school in International Daily Rising School, Jammu.
Definitely. Today I met you all, no? So definitely
जरूर आएंगे,
I'll
क्यों नहीं
request
आएंगे.
Shankar ji to set up my visit to your school. We both will come there one day because it's my lifelong pending
I and
that I
sir
must
both will
visit.
come there and I will take Jacqueline ma'am and Ghanshyam sir also. I will take Ghanshyam sir also together to Jammu and Kashmir.
Sure, sir.
We'll have a
Thank you.
good trip and we will discuss with all of you. We'll meet
Thank
all
you
and we'll
very
take
much.
Tajia also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So shall we end the
Yeah.
meeting?
So, sir, with permission of all of you, can we have, can we close the session?
Yeah, sure, sir, you can.
Ah, Ravi Shankar sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
हाँ sir.
Jacqueline
हाँ sir,
ma'am
बोलिए.
and you, please stay back. I want to discuss with you. Jacqueline ma'am and you, please stay back. I want.
Okay, sir. But I will connect you in next. We have to close this session, sir, because recording is on. So next we have to start another one. Yeah. Okay.